Hi viewers, welcome once again to Alex Connect Global Services, where we'll give updates on relocation to abroad tips.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
Today I will be giving you information about a country you can live without a visa. Svalbard is a country where you can live without a visa. It has no visa requirement for anyone from any country, which means
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
Nigerians and other nationalities can enter, live, and work without a visa or a residence permit to live. This country is only a place on earth with open immigration laws. Important facts about Svalbard are 1. No visa required, but you must be self-sufficient to support yourself because cost of living is very high. 2. It is part of the Arctic, very cold and remote. 3. You need to get a Schengen visa to fly through Oslo, Norway, because no direct flight to Svalbard. Then from Norway, you will be able to enter Svalbard. 4. For major medical care, you will have to be taken to Norway for proper medical care. It is a tax-free country. It is a beautiful place to live and enjoy yourself. Documents needed to obtain Schengen visa are valid passport, flight itinerary, proof of accommodation, bank statement to prove financial stability, travel insurance, purpose of visit. You will need to clearly state your purpose of visit in your visa application. The visa type are type C. You can take short stay, which is 90 days, or multiple entry. Thank you once again, as I said. Keep on viewing this channel, Alex Connect Global Services. I promise you we'll still give you more updates on travel tips. Kindly like, comment, and share this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.